Yeah.
Ntanga sibilibili dangerous. You
Yeah.
understand? And I'll go back to Utatan. Utatan and Ntanga like ignenta kayireyizile and like lento leyo like important and I think ngathi yalibulala ibhola.
Yeah.
Numbers.
Yeah.
Numbers kill football. You understand ukuthi hey this one made these numbers, hey this one they kill football because they kill ukuthi sibone ukuthi lo muntu lo yenzani. Ithi ngizokubuyela ke. Usakhumbula usibilibili aqeda ukukora 3 goals.
Yeah.
Like Ndanga, there was too much hype, guy, which
Yeah.
is get deserve. You understand? And I think Mina, even now, Speedy is playing well. Even yesterday, young tall, he
Yeah.
played well. Upege like Ndanga, i-pace makasithola kuzo.
Yeah.
Like nama shots on target akawashayile.
Yeah.
Then ubheka amanye ama-player wethu.
Yeah.
Yes, the luck was not on his side on that one, young tall. And when he's forward, I think he's not too good. No matter move. I think I've once said that because of the spacing.
Yeah.
You understand? But Mina for me, Usbidibidi like he's always kakhulu, but like it was the luck was not in his side, especially first half. Yes, second half like Angbonanga much which he has done, but first half Mina was impressed with his play because like Noma uthe goes to uyesayidini uskomot, then you must see ukuthi uSbidibidi uyenzani. Uthatha like ungena phakathi uyaconvert.
Yeah.
That's why you'll be able to see more of Speedy lapha ku chaos and maybe ungazibala like isikhathi ombone ngaso lapha ku chaos.
Yeah. Yeah.
We can't get that Speedy who scored 3 goals against Sundowns. You understand? But like Mina, I feel ngathi Speedy iform yakhe is getting back now. For me on that game also naying mupi 8.
Spilibili, for me, okay, udlalile angithola,
Yeah.
udlalile Spilibili, but it's not the Spilibili that I became accustomed to angithola.
Lower my goal. That's where
And
I'm
then
at.
yeah, you say numbers kill football.
They kill.
I mean, I think numbers make football.
I think numbers kill football.
So if it goes to if you are a right winger, angithola like that
Sure.
when you say if at least if it angithola like you start week in week out, if it at least give us 10 assists, angithola in the at least
Sure.
give us 5 goals. Yeah, I understand. So that when askadlala fella and then you say I had a nice performance, but what do? You beat one player, ball. You beat one player, second player, there's no output.
Ushayile
There's no
Ntanga.
yeah?
Ushayile Palini.